So guys, this one more video about the Python, and like you know our chat series has been started, and this is our fourth video about the chat. And in today's chat video I'm telling you about the how to remove the chat items. Like in the previous video we learned about how to add the chat items. So in today's video we are learning about the how to remove the chat items. So please hit the like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also to never miss our future latest videos. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about how to remove the set items. Like in the previous video, we learned about the how to add a set items. But in today's video, we learn about the how to remove the set items. If you don't know, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So see this video start to end. So let's get started. And I'm making a different topic like remove the set items, add the set items. I'm not making a one video, and in that one video I'm not telling you the add set items, remove set items. I'm making a video in the parts. That's why my videos are very smaller. Okay, so now let's get started and let's learn about remove set items. So let's get started and let's learn about it. Remove item. If you remove an item, to remove an item in a set, use the remove or discard method. Okay, there are two methods to remove an item in a set. What by the name of remove method. First method is called remove method, and second method is called discard method. So let me give you one example of the remove method first. Then I give you the example of the discard method. Now let's get started. Remove banana. If you remove the banana in this set, there are three items: apple, banana, then cherry. But I will be remove the banana. So by using the remove method, I can remove the banana very easily. Yes, let me show you. Let me go here. Using the remove banana, let me copy this and let me paste it. Save it and edit. So it is giving me cherry and apple only. Why? Why it is not giving me banana? Because using the remove method, I will be remove the banana. That's why it is not giving me the banana. Only it is giving me apple and cherry. So here you can see it. Using the remove method, you can remove the banana or items. Note that if the item to remove does not exist, remove will raise an error. Like in the example we are remove the banana by using the discard method. First we remove the banana by the using the remove method, and in the example we are remove the banana by the using the discard method. Let me copy this, let me paste it, save it and run it. So it give me apple, cherry. Where apple and cherry, here you can see it. You can remove the item using the discard method also. Like for example, I give you using the remove method, and the second example I give you the discard method. So here you can see it like that. Note that if the item to remove does not exist, discard will not raise an error. You must know this thing. You can also use the pop method. What the number two method I have already told you about the remove method and the discard method. But number three method is use the pop method to remove an item. But this will method remove a random item, and you are not sure which item it will be removed. So you cannot be sure that what item gets removed. The return value of the pop method is the remove item. Like in the example, we are remove a random item by using the pop method. Okay, in the pop method you write nothing. Okay, it remove a random item. Okay, so now here I write like apple, banana, cherry. So now the pop method will remove the random item. Let me show you. Here you can see it remove the random item. It remove the apple. Here you can see it remove the banana. Now it is remove the apple again. Now it remove the banana. It remove the apple again. Then it remove the cherry. Here you can see it. It will remove the random item by you can remove the random item by using the pop method, and you make a game. Okay, also using the pop method. Note that sets are unordered, so when using the pop method, you do not know which item that gets removed. You don't know. Now, one more method is called the clear method. What is the clear method? The clear method empties the set. Okay, when in this set I write like three items: apple, banana, and cherry. And then using the clear method, you do not write anything in the brackets, but using the clear method, it will be remove the entire set. Let me show you. Here you can see it. It remove the entire set. It is not giving you apple, banana, and cherry. Why? Because using the clear method, you will be remove the entire. Using the clear method, you empties the set. One more method is called the del. not the method keyword. The del keyword will delete the set completely. Okay, the del keyword will also delete the set completely. One, the clear method will also delete the set completely, but del keyword will also delete the set completely. Let me show you. Here you can see it. Sorry, save it, and then it should give you the error. Why? Because it is giving you error because of the your set has been not now your set has been empty. So what type of input it will be give you? Here you can see it give me name. This set is not defined. Why? Because I write here del keyword. Using the del keyword you can remove you will delete the set completely. So that's why. So here you can see it in today's video of Python. I told you about how to remove the items, set items. So we use the 4 methods. First name is remove method. Number 2 method's name is discard method. Number 3 method name is clear method, and number 4 keyword is del keyword. These 4 methods I have told you about it. So I hope your concept will be clear about it, how to remove the set items and how to remove the entire set list. So here you can see it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also to never miss our future latest videos. So for today, goodbye.